There are nights I cry in silence, trying hard to hold my faith. Every battle leaves me wounded, but I still call on your name. When the darkness whispers failure, and my strength begins to fade, I remember all your promises, and I fall down as I pray. You are my shelter in the storm, my refuge when I'm weak. Every tear I cry before you, you still collect and see. I will overcome because you are with me, Lord. Though the valley feels so deep, I know you'll make a way. I will overcome through the power of your name. No weapon formed against me will ever stop my praise. Will ever stop my praise. Oh, when my heart feels overwhelmed and fear is standing at my door, you remind me you are faithful, and you've carried me before. Even when I walk through fire, and I will never walk alone. Your spirit keeps on fighting till victory becomes my song. Yeah, you said the battle is not mine, but yours alone. Oh, hey, and greater is He that lives in me than anything in this world. I will overcome, even through the pain and scars. You are healing every broken part inside my weary heart. I will overcome. Though the tears may fall tonight, joy will surely come tomorrow. Your light will be my guide. Let me, Jesus, oh yeah, hold me closer when I feel too weak to stay. Oh yeah, give me courage, give me courage, give me power, give me power. Place my future in your hands. I still believe, I still believe, I still believe, I still believe. You are working, you are working even now. Because the cross has made a way. Chains are breaking all around me. Fear is losing strength today. I will overcome by the blood of Jesus Christ. Every storm will bow before Him. He is fighting for my life. You are my peace. You are my hope. You are my strength, and I will